Determine the maximum acceleration of the train in which a box laying on its floor will remain stationary given that the coefficient of static friction between the box and the train floor is 0.15. So this has to do with the maximum value that I can apply before which the objects start moving. In this case, it's around 48. So we are trying to figure out that maximum value. Okay. So for that, what we have here is a box on the floor and coefficient of static friction is 0.15. Then you have, of course, gravitational pull that will be equal to mg. And then because it's accelerating with say a max, for example, to the right, your frictional force will be to the left. Now we are trying to figure out the acceleration. So we can assume a pseudo force that in place of all of this, if I give you guys this, and if I tell this object is stationary, what is missing? A push to the right. So that will be our pseudo force F pseudo. Okay, so we need to make an assumption that we have pseudo force to analyze what acceleration we can have for the train. Now, so maximum frictional force, your Fx max and stuff is equal to mu s into normal. I forgot normal over here. And normal is equal to that of mg, right? Normal is equal to mg. Okay, now we have this one expression. Next, what we'll do is we'll consider a pseudo force that will cause a similar frictional force, that is your, in terms of magnitude, Fpsudo should be equal to your Fx max. And we know that this would be mass into, mass is mass, that we can't change. Acceleration is your maximum acceleration. And this is mu smg. So as you can see, the mass is of no use to us. So your acceleration, that the maximum acceleration, therefore, maximum acceleration that the train can have so that the object does not slide, is given by S mu s into g. So on the surface of the moon, it will slide faster for a lesser, or it will slide much earlier. So basically it depends on g. Oh, we do have the value, my bad. I forgot 1.5 meter per second square, approximately, because I'm taking it as 10. Okay, yes. So that should be the acceleration. Post that, it will start sliding.